Hi, I'm Isabella of Confessions of a Super Ager on Instagram. I am also the owner of a lifestyle blog called Midlife in Style. Welcome to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I hope you tune in for future lifestyle videos. Today's video is an unboxing video. I will be unboxing some shoes, and as you can see, I happen to love shoes. These are from Sarah Flint. Doesn't this just look so luxurious? First of all, your receipt when you purchase a pair of Sarah Flint comes in this gorgeous folder. So full disclosure, I am a brand ambassador for Sarah Flint. I became a brand ambassador. I was invited to become a brand ambassador in early March. So I would be going on my 3rd month, and this is my 2nd pair of Sarah Flint shoes, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to unbox it for all of you because I just love their packaging. I so appreciate the care, the thought that went into such beautiful packaging, and it's quite frankly what I would expect from a luxury brand. I mean, isn't this just gorgeous? And the detail with the personalized or monogrammed ribbon. This box is also made out of 100% recycled paper. Another tidbit about Sarah Flint is that their shoes are handcrafted by artisans in Italy, shoe artisans. And I think it's really cool that they include a postcard that tells you and lets you know who made these pair of shoes. And Carlo made these for me, or well, now it's mine. So your shoes come in a protective dust bag. Each one comes in its own protective dust bag, and I'm like so excited to show her to you guys. Isn't she gorgeous? I have the perfect sandal in a blush colored leather, Napa leather. She's a beauty. So these are my first pair of Sarah Flint heels. I got the 100mm heel. It comes in 80mm as well because I just love stilettos. But I'm so excited because I've heard that these are like super comfortable. Now personally, I don't necessarily pick shoes for comfort because I need my shoes to look fabulous. So if they're comfortable, that's just gravy. But she is gorgeous. So it's made with like extra padding and arch support, but I think I just need to try it on and show you guys. Henry. These are super comfortable. OMG. I love it. Think of Mama's new shoes. Aren't they cool? I thought I would show you guys my first pair of Sarah Flints. These are the Greer sandals. As you can see, I wear them a lot. They're so cute. Looks great with shorts, dresses, jeans. And these are my second pair. So I should let you guys know that I do have a code that you can use to get $50 off your first pair. SARAHFLINT-BAISABELLAT.